Hello, and welcome to Curious Diaries. So let's take a look on 5 best off-road vehicles in 2020 with comparison, which will make easy for you to decide which one is best off-roader of this year and which one will be finest exception to satisfy your off-road hunger.
Drunk style.
New Ford F-150 Raptor 2020. It is the ultimate off-road truck, with matte bodywork and have enough power for aggressive off-roading, with its twin-turbo V6, producing 450 horsepower and 510 pound-per-foot of torque, and 10-speed automatic transmission, can shoot it to 60 miles per hour in as little as 5.1 seconds. It is also able to tow 8,000 pounds, which is almost the same as Land Cruiser can tow. Raptor having pretty good fuel economy, but it lags behind some of its competitors, as it gets 22 miles per gallon. The F-150 Raptor employs advanced technology to help provide the degree of control required for extreme off-road travel, having the electronic shift-on-the-fly system, which lets you choose 2 4-wheel drive modes, 4x4, low or high, as well as 2-wheel drive, 4x4, off-road. Main package includes electronic locking rear differential, which distributes power between both axles as needed, much like an all-wheel drive system, where most other trucks just have a 4-wheel drive mode. So, technically, the Ford Raptor is both 4-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Its off-road capacities takes it up a level by its terrain management system, which offers 7 selectable modes that improve stability for low traction situations, sends maximum torque to all 4 wheels for mud and ruts, allows wheel slippage in situations where you're on soft ground, and can select mode that optimizes Raptor for high-speed desert. Raptor have massive dimensions, make it a bear to maneuver in tight quarters, which is attained by its approach angle, which is 30.2 degrees, with a departure angle of 23.1. Breakover angle is 22.9 degrees, and can move through deep water, as having fording depth of 30 inches. Ford Raptor is luxury, but it's definitely not the luxurious machine that other trucks are trying to be. Raptor 2020, with a whole other level of serious capability, like no other truck, is starting with the price of $52,855. The Ford F-150 Raptor owns the road, and pretty much anywhere else You drive it, with its off-road Fox Live, valve racing shocks, and long travel suspension, allowing owners to bulldoze over rocks and jumps without so much as a hint of complaint, although it can feel jiggly on the road, because the Raptor is built to soak up big bumps, and its capabilities shows that the performance of the 2020 F-150 is miles ahead in comparison to conventional pickup trucks.
Drunk style.
The all-new Land Cruiser 2020 have gained more power and merged with latest technology, with 5.7-liter V8 engine powered by petrol that cranks out incredible 381 horsepower and 401 pound-ft of torque. That's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and a full-time four-wheel drive system, which makes it one of the world's most fastest SUV, which hits 230.02 miles per hour, as claimed in 2017. Land Cruiser can tow up to 8,100 pounds. The drawback of this powerful engine is that it isn't what anyone would call the picture of efficiency, as it drinks at a rate of around 15 miles per gallon. But because Land Cruiser do not compromise on its excellent off-road and towing capabilities, as other competitors do, make it goes further off the beaten path than pretty much anything in its class. Land Cruisers can excite and make your off-road journey enjoyable by its 27.6-inch water-fording depth, which will make the cruiser wade through deep water without any hurdle. When it comes to the 2020 Land Cruiser geometry, it has an approach angle of 32 degrees, which is 2 degrees better than the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The departure angle is 24 degrees, and the breakover angle is 21 degrees, which makes it overall a pretty good for a full-size SUV. It means with Cruiser, you can climb hills and go through challenging paths effortless. Land Cruiser have highly advanced off-road technologies, like crawl control, which serves as an off-road cruise, with 5-speed settings that range from a toddler speed that creep to 2 miles per hour. It have excellent ability to negotiate some of the trickiest maneuvers, simply by regulating speed via the crawl control dial. Other advanced off-road technologies include multi-terrain select system modes, having 5 distinct terrain driving modes. From loose rock mode to mud and sand mode, where there is maximum slippage, mogul mode, which is suitable for bumpy road conditions, rock and damp, dirt, and rock mode with least slippage. Each mode controls wheel spin and brake lockup and battle through the most extreme terrains. The Cruiser's multi-terrain monitor engages all of its cameras for a 360-degree view, plus it gives view of each front tire, but low screen resolution and image distortion diminish its usefulness compared with state-of-the-art systems like Land Rover's transparent hood. The Land Cruiser cabin is spacious and luxurious, although it is not as magnificent as the price tag suggests, as new 2020 model is starting at $85,405. Clearly the 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser belongs to off-road. It's faultless in the wild, take you as far away from the grid as possible. Inside, it has some challenges on the pavement, namely low fuel economy and poor handling. But still it is pretty sure it is able to conquer and survive practically anything.